Hey, welcome to another game of Ben's Home Baseball League. We got Season 9, Game 13, Rivalry Game today. Birmingham Pistols sitting at 3-3 versus the Memphis Bombers sitting at 3-3. Standings on the season, Connecticut Stunners in first after 6 games, after a third of the season at 4-2. Memphis and Birmingham tied at 3-3, and Nevada bringing up the rear at 2-4. But anybody's game, only a third of the way done. Let's get under the lights. There's always some lineup changes after the first third of the season, and for Birmingham today, we benched Molina, and Buck McNabb is in. Molina was hitting 130. For Memphis, A-Rod, Alex Rodriguez got benched. He was hitting .045, and that's not great. Reyes in for him. And then Eric Davis only hitting 174 with 1 RBI. He got benched, and John Flaherty in his place. So some lineup changes to look out for. Do that after each third. So if we're done with the first third of the season, we'll do some more lineup changes in the second third. All right, so pitching for the Bombers, we got Jimmy Haynes today. And let's get started. So up for the Pistols, Tavares, Krenchiki, and Cano. Here's Tavares. Again, here's our sheet that tells us what is going to happen with the result of the dice. So Tavares leading off. 4. It's ground ball to short. That's 1 down. Krenchiki, 7. Struck him out. All 7s are strikeouts. Ben's Home Baseball League. Robbie Cano. 3. Ground ball to second. So a quick 1-2-3 inning for Haynes. Pitching for the Pistols is Brad Radke. So we go to the bottom first. We got Puckett, Anderson, Scott Hatteberg. Kirby Puckett. 2. That's going to probably be a walk. Yep, leadoff walk. It's not a good way to start there for the Pistols with a leadoff walk. Next up, Dave Anderson. Struck him out. 1 down. Scott Hatteberg up next. 10, that's gone. Not a good start. Scott Hatteberg, who has been on fire recently, especially against the Pistols, with a 1-out or 2-run home run. So 2-0 Memphis early on. Jim Gantner. It's ground ball to second. It's 2 outs. And we got Johnny Damon. 8, that's going to be a ground ball to second. All right, so Memphis gets 2 in the first. We go to the top second. Gant, Caminiti, Posada. It's kind of an important game. Both teams 3-3. Pistols have lost 3 in a row, so they really need to get a W here and don't want to fall too far behind after the good start. 5, fly out to right field. 1 down. Caminiti. Ground ball to first. 2 down. Jorge Posada. Posada didn't have a good start to the year, so he's kind of watching him in the second third. 4, ground ball to short. 1, 2, 3 again. So we move to the bottom of the second. One of the new folks in the starting lineup, John Flaherty for the Bombers. That's a fly out to right. 1 down. Jose Reyes, who's had some good pinch hits for the Bombers this year. He's inserted into the starting lineup. 5, fly out to right. 2 down. Chris Jones. 6. Ground ball to third. So 1, 2, 3 there as well. Top 3. Bichette, McNabb, Gutierrez. We got Dante Bichette up first for the Pistols. We need to get something going here, and that will probably be something. So that's a double. Double for Bichette. First hit of the game for the Pistols. Buck McNabb. McNabb into the starting lineup. And ground ball to third. Lead runner out. So 1 down. Tony's Gutierrez had a good start to the season. Let's see if he can do something. 1 down. Oh, that's something again. Home run from Tony's Gutierrez. Ties it up. So 2-run shot for Gutierrez. Back to the top of the order. Tavares. That's 1 down. Ground ball to second. 2 out. Cheeky out. So there's 3. And we go bottom third, tie ball game, Hernandez, and then Puckett Anderson back to the top. So Jovelito Hernandez. It's going to be a single. Single for Hernandez. So leadoff single. Let's see if Memphis can cash in or not. Puckett. Struck him out. 1 down. Second strikeout for Radke. Dave Anderson. It's a double. Knocks in a run. Here comes Hernandez. All the way around from first. So RBI double for Anderson. 3-2 Bombers. Hadberg, who hit the home run first time up. 4. It's going to be a ground ball to short, but runners advance 1. 2 down for Gantner. Struck him out. All right. Well, Memphis gets 1, but more damage could have been done. As we go top 4, Cano, Gant, Caminetti for your Pistols. 4, ground ball to short. Lead runner or out. Gant. Oops. 9. There's a fly out to right. 2 down. Caminetti up. Struck him out. So quick 1 through 2, 3, ending through the heart of the Pistols lineup. We go bottom 4. Damon, Flaherty, Reyes. Johnny Damon. Fly out to left. 1 down. John Flaherty. That's going to be a double for Flaherty. So Flaherty gets his first hit in the starting lineup. Jose Reyes. 1 down. Man on second. 9. 279. That's a single. In comes Flaherty. So RBI single for Reyes. Makes it 4-2. Chris Jones. It's going to be ground ball to second. Runners advance 1. So 2 down. Man on second for Hernandez. Struck him out. But not before Memphis gets another run. 4-2 Memphis over Birmingham as we head to the top of the 5th. Birmingham needs to get something going here. Posada, Bichette, McNabb. So we're toward the bottom of the lineup. Jorge Posada. Struck out. 1 down. Third strikeout by Jimmy Haynes. Dante Bichette. That is going to be a single. Single for Bichette. Bichette's second hit of the day. Buck McNabb. Struck him out. It's 2 down. He's 4th strikeout. Let's see if Tony's Gutierrez can cash in this run. Had a home run earlier. Oh, Gutierrez. All right. That's a double for Gutierrez. Bichette comes all the way around to score. So 2-out double by Gutierrez. 2 for 2. 3 ribbies today. Pretty much all the offense for Birmingham. Tavares, 2 down. That's going to be 3 down. Ground ball to short. Couldn't quite cash in, but Birmingham claws 1 back. So we go bottom 5. Puckett, Anderson, Hatteberg, top of the order for the Bombers. That's a single. Single for Puckett. His first hit of the day. Dave Anderson. 4. Ground ball to second. Runners do advance 1 base. Hatteberg, 1 down. Man on second. Struck him out. Big strikeout there. Radke's 4th of the day. 2 down. See if he can get out of the inning. No, does not look like it. That's a triple. Gives up a triple. Puckett comes around to score. RBI triple from Gantner. And Johnny Damon. Let's see. Pistols need to get out of this without any more damage. 5. Ground fly out to left. Okay. 5-3 Bombers. Top of the 6th. You get Kranchicki, Cano, and Gant. One down. Robbie Cano. Ground ball to short. 2 down. Middle of the order has been quiet. On Gant. 8. That's going to be a single. All right. Gant with a 2-out single. First hit from the top 6 of the order for the Pistols today. Caminetti, 2 down. And that's it. So we go to the bottom of the 6th. I can get someone up in the Pistols bullpen here. Let's see who we got available. We're going to get Matt Anderson up in the pen. Just in case. So for Memphis, we got Flaherty, Reyes, Jones. Bottom 6. 3. Let's make sure. Ground ball was short. 1 down. Reyes. 4. That's a home run. Yep, that's one of those unique batting averages. 279. That's a home run. Reyes has been on a tear, pinch hitting and now in the starting lineup. Fly out to left, 2 down. Hernandez. Walked. That's a 2nd walk today by Radke. Brings up Puckett. 2 down, 1 man on. Triple. Radke's in trouble. We're gonna give him a chance to finish it out, but anymore, and we're pulling the plug. 5. Fly out the left. Some more damage done in that inning. It's a big lead, 7-3 as we head to the 7th. We're going to get some bullpen up. We're going to get the closer thick pen up and warm it up, and then you're going to get Rick Aguilera too as our setup guy. Okay. Top 7. Posada, Bichette, McNabb. Jorge Posada. Ooh, might have got a hit there. All right. Single. Single by Posada. That's a good sign. Leadoff single. Bottom of the lineup been very productive here for the Pistols today. Here's Bichette. They're going to need it too. And he got it. Dante Bichette with a home run. Brings 2 in. 2-run shot. That's big. That's his 3rd hit of the day. And we're going to pull Jimmy Haynes. So Jimmy Haynes is going to go 6 innings pitched and 5 runs allowed. And we're going to bring in Rick Aguilera. Try to hold the Pistols here. So Pistols finally showing some signs of life here. Okay, off the Buck McNabb, no down. 8, that's going to be a single for McNabb. Tony's Gutierrez. 8, another single. Advance 1 base. Gutierrez 3 for 3 today. Top of the order. They haven't had a single hit. The top 3. They're going to need it now, though. Tavares. 6. Ground ball to first. Runners advance 1 base. Boy, this is tough here. So that's 1 down. Krenchiki, though, we might have to pinch hit here. It's just too big a spot. 280. We're going to get one of those that we know, unless they strike out, that they that runners advance. So let's look and see who we've got that fits that. And we're going to bring in Jose Lind. So Krenchiki. Subbed off. Jose Lind comes in. It's a 265. So unless he strikes out here, Birmingham's going to get a run. 4. Oh, and he did even better. What a wow, home run. Home run by Lind. And the Pistols take the lead. McNabb in, Gutierrez in, 8-7. Wow, that's a pretty good pinch hit there. Still only 1 down. Got Robbie Cano. That was a huge play by Jose Lind. Ground ball to short, 2 down. Now we got Ronnie Gant. 8-7 Pistols. And that's going to be a ground ball to first. Okay, we go to bottom 7. Pistols take the lead, and I think that's going to be it for Radke. 6 innings pitched, 7 runs given up. Radke's done for the day. We're going to bring in Matt Anderson. Matt Anderson into pitch. Also going to get some bullpen action up. Okay, Hatteberg, Gantner, Damon. Heart of the lineup for Matt Anderson. Here's Scott Hatteberg, 8-7 Pistols. Fly out to right, 1 down. Gantner. Ground ball to second, 2 down. Johnny Damon. And fly out to left, 3 down. We go top 8. Boy, we're gonna leave Aguilera in there. We'll have Madsen warming up just in case here. So top 8, we've got Caminetti, Posada, and Bichette. Bichette's been on fire. Let's see if he can get anybody on in front of him. Caminetti. Fly out to right, 1 down. Posada. Oh, that's going to be gone. Jorge Posada with a home run. Dante Pichette, one down. And singles. Pichette 4 for 4 today. McNabb, one down. Ground ball to second, runners advance. So 2 down, man on second for Tony's Gutierrez. He's had a heck of a game too. And he does it again. Tony's Gutierrez. 2-run shot. His second home run of the day and 5th RBI. Wow. Pistols come storming back now with a pretty good sized lead. And that's going to be it for Rick Aguilera. He got shelled. He only pitched 1 2/3 and gave up 6 runs. And Ryan Madsen comes up. Okay, Tavares, top of the lineup, 2 down. Struck him out. Okay. So we go to the bottom of the 8th. Still going to have Anderson in. And we've got Flaherty, Reyes, Jones. Bottom of the lineup, but Reyes had 2 RBIs. Here's Flaherty, 11-7 Pistols. 6, that's going to be an out. That's going to be ground ball to third, 1 down. Reyes had a good game, including a home run. Oh, 12. Nope, that's a fly out the right field. 2 down. Chris Jones. And that's 3. 1, 2, 3 inning. We go top 9. We got Jose Lind, Robbie Cano, and Ron Gant up. So Jose Lind with the homer, pinch hit home run. He's in for his second at bat here. 11. Nope, ground ball to the pitcher. 1 down. Robbie Cano. Struck him out. 2 down. Second strikeout by Madsen. Ron Gant. 3 down. Okay. Matt Anderson's pulled. 2 innings pitched. 0 runs allowed. We bring in the closer, Jeff Facerero. Been around since season 1. Has got 30 career saves. This save situation, 4 runs, is a save situation in BHBL. So we got Hernandez, Puckett, and Anderson. Hernandez, bottom 9, 11-7. 6, that's going to be a ground ball to third, 1 down. Kirby Puckett, fly out the left, 2 down. Memphis down there last out. Great comeback here. Struck him out. Ended the game in style. Wow, great comeback from Birmingham. 11-7 is the win. MVP for Memphis. Probably Jose Reyes went 2 for 4. Home run and 2 RBIs. Pretty clear for Birmingham. Tony's Gutierrez, 4 for 4. 2 homers and 5 RBIs. Radke gets the win. Facerero gets the save. Rick Aguilera gets the loss. So 11-7 Birmingham. Great comeback by the Pistols. I always like when Birmingham beats Memphis. So take care. Thanks for watching.